Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project. We will create a terminal. In our terminal we'll create a snowflake. So first we'll like to start by importing turtle. Like it's really good for drawings and stuff. Then we'll like to write t equals turtle dot turtle t dot speed 0 turtle dot bg color black. We'd like to write black, like the background color should be black. Yep, guys. Next thing we like to do is write t dot color cyan. Yep, bro. Like the snowflakes are like cyan color, I think. Then we should write for I in range 36 times. T dot forward 150 times. T dot backward 150 times, and then T dot right 10 times. Yep, no, 10. Yep, and then we'd like to come over here and write turtle dot done. Okay guys, let's save it up and let's run it. So as you see guys, it creates the snowflake. So okay guys, that was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.